Welcome to your Passion Gate. I am Pawan Kalyan, all engineering 81. This video is for all engineering students, GATE aspirants, and the study tips shared in this video is useful for all competitive exams. I am getting questions from GATE aspirants regarding schedule for GATE 2027, how to start preparation, how to master the subjects, study tips for the exam, and some self-doubt questions like I started preparation in June. Will I able to complete syllabus by November or not? And I had taken recorded lectures. Those are sufficient or not? Otherwise, I have to go for live or offline classes. I am providing solution to all those questions in this video. My sincere suggestion is that either it is NPTEL, textbooks, live or recorded lectures. Source is similar. Don't distract yourself. Start your preparation with a plan. Shall we make a plan? Here is the schedule for GATE 2027. For making schedule, we need how many days are remaining, how many subjects we have to study. Let's count days remaining for classes only. We will remove revision time 2 months, test series 1 month, 10 days before the exam for notes revision. Then we are at October 31st. We have from June 25th to October 31st, 128 days only. For GATE ECE, there are 10 subjects. Approximately, we will get 12 days per subject. The perfect segregation of these 128 days among ECE subjects is as shown here. Mathematics 20 days, communication 15 days, EMTL 15 days, remaining subjects 10 days, 9 days like that. For aptitude 5 days is more than enough. After segregation, out of average 120, we have 7 days remaining for distractions. However, I place a tip for avoiding distractions at the end of this video. Follow same sequence for studying subjects. Mathematics has 6 chapters. We will add each chapter between two subjects. Like if we calculate for mathematics, 20 days we have segregated. 20 days divided by 6 chapters, we will get 3 days for each chapter. So start with mathematics, one chapter, study another subject, and again start another mathematics chapter. Likewise, complete all syllabus by October 31st. Here is the daily routine during the classes time. Since gate exam is 3 hours, our studying schedule is also for 3 hours, like morning 6 to 9 a.m. If we follow this routine, our average studying time in a day will be 8 to 15 hours. Here is the tip. Before leaving for a break after the class, just look at the headings and formula for 5 minutes. Now we are at October 31st, all classes are completed. It's revision time. During revision, our target is to complete revision of notes and PYQs, giving subject-wise test series. Let's segregate. For revision, we have 2 months, that is from November 1st to December 31st, that is 61 days. For ECE, we have 10 subjects, then we will get each subject 6 days. The perfect segregation is as shown here. For mathematics, we require 10 days, 3 days for studying the notes, and 7 days for PYQs. Now for test series. As per S Academy and Medisi, they have two topic wise test series and one full subject test series. Total 6 test series. So give these test series in the evening of another subject revision. And another tip is maintain short notes for test series and PYQs. Keep noting the repeated formulas, new concepts, and new approaches. Now revision is completed by December 31st. Getting bored of classes, revision, subject-wise test series? Let's start full length test series from January 1st. Our daily target is 2 test series to complete 20 to 30 full length test series by January end. Two things we have to focus: daily schedule and approach while giving test. Coming to the daily schedule, from morning 9 to 12, give your test 1. Then immediately do analysis of that test. During analysis of every test, we have to focus on two things. First one, noting the concept, chapter, subject name of unsolved questions. Second one, make a short notes for test series or PYQs by including just new formula or approach of a concept. Now test 1 is completed. Do test 2 from 2 to 5. Again similar type of analysis. After completing 2 test series, now open each subject notes and study the concepts which you had noted during analysis of test series. This approach makes sure you to revise the concepts which you forgot. That's it for schedule. Now approach during the test. One thing we have to remember: exam is for applying the known ones, not for experimenting with unknown ones. So our target is to complete all the known questions first, then do the experimenting with unknown questions. Here is the approach. Before exam starts, mention all 65 number of questions in scribble bag. Out of 65 questions in gate, 31 mark questions will be there, 35 2 mark questions will be there. Out of 31 mark questions, 25 questions are moderate to easy. Out of 35 2 mark questions, 25 questions are moderate to easy. So our target is 50 questions, which consists of 75 marks in main gate exam. During test series, try to attempt all 65 questions. Let's start our exam. See the first question. If it can be solved within 1 minute, solve it. If you think it takes more than 2 minutes, then mark it and move to the next question. If you are not confident about the formula or concept, then skip the question. Go through all questions like that. Within 45 minutes or 1 hour, you may completed all the 1 minute questions. Now start with marked questions from the starting of the exam. Do them within 4 minutes. Complete all the marked questions. Now start with non-marked questions. Do the experimenting with unknown questions. Now it's January 29. Just 10 to 12 days remaining before the exam. Stop your test series. Now each day, pick one subject notes and revise that notes fully. On the exam day, don't expect anything in questions. Remember or seek blessings from your God. All the best, buddy. Finally, to avoid distractions while studying, plan every minute. Let me explain with an example. As per our before plan, while revision of class notes, for every subject notes, we allocated 2 or 3 days, right? Let's break that 2 days into minutes. In a day, we can study for 10 to 13 hours, right? Let me take 13 hours. For 2 days, 26 hours means 50-60 minutes. Assume subject notes consist of 300 pages. Then to complete a subject in 2 days, we need to study every page. We have to study within 5 minutes. That 5 minutes is also segregated further. First minute skimming reading, second and third minute is understanding the page, fourth and fifth minute is remember and recall. Finally, for every 15 or 30 minutes, check you have completed 3 or 6 pages or not. Because of target, we won't get distracted. Similarly, plan for PYQs. It is like a homework. Each question you may need to solve within 5 minutes to complete all PYQs of a subject in 4 days. Even after planning this much, you feel you are getting distracted, then just write those distractions in a page and say to yourself, let's do it after my exam. Above plans and schedules are similar for all the aspirants. If you are going to college or office, then try to focus on morning and evening timings of above schedules. Instead of completing all the things in 6 months like other, we may take 1 year. That's it. Even we complete half of the syllabus before the exam, but make sure to complete with passion and confidence. Hope all of you clear all your exams with best opportunities in your hand. Share knowledge and experience. Do the best on the earth. Your passion gate. Pawan Kalyan, All India Rank 81. Save this reel, share this reel, make sure to comment this reel.